Are you wondering why your videos are getting views, but not necessarily comments, likes, or shares? In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 things that you need in every single video or post that you put on social media. So whether you're posting on TikTok, writing a caption for Instagram, you have to have these 3 things in your video or caption. I'm Heather, the copywriter. I help online experts with all things writing, from sales pages to social media to emails and so much more. In every single video, I'm going to give you some sort of technique or strategy or something that will help you grow and connect with your audience in a better way. Make those sales, baby! So let's go over why you might be getting views like on TikTok, or people might be seeing your content on Instagram, but they're not engaging with it. They're not commenting on it. They're not liking it. They're not sharing. They're just kind of ignoring it, right? So the very first thing that you need to do is have a really strong opening line. So in the copywriting world, this is called a hook. What are you using to draw your reader in so that they read the rest of what you've written? So hooks are really, really important to master. Without a good hook, people will not read the rest of your body. They have no reason to. You have to grab their attention from the beginning. So a couple of hook ideas are something like my biggest secrets for, my biggest secrets for writing a post that gets attention. Or if you're in, photography, my biggest secrets for, outfits, my biggest secrets for putting together outfits for your photos. Something along the lines like that. Basically what you want to do is say, I have this great information, here's why you need to keep reading the rest of it. Without a strong hook, you're doomed. So get really, really good at having a first opening line. I see a lot of people make this big mistake where they don't start off with the first line of their video or their post being a hook. So they'll say something like, hi everybody, which is super nice and really friendly, but that's not drawing your reader in. They have those first 2 seconds of a video are really important. The first line of a post is really important. Don't start off with hi. Not unless you have an already established audience or you already know completely who you're talking to. Even then, if you run a business, you really are not great starting off with hi. So start off with the most important, most valuable point of your content and then keep going from there. If you want a list of 10 different really strong hook ideas, drop me an emoji below and I will get you the link to the 10 best hook ideas that I have. I use these constantly. So again, drop an emoji, doesn't matter which one, drop it and I'll get that link to you. Okay, so moving on. What do you do after you have a really great hook or opening line? Well, next, you need to make sure the body, aka all of the rest of your content, is really supporting the main hook. I see a lot of marketers and business owners make the mistake of they have a really strong hook and then they try really hard and over-explain what's going on. You right now are creating micro content when it comes to social media. So on Instagram, it's a smaller post. On Facebook, you can be a little longer on Facebook, but TikTok goes really fast. So you don't want to shove too much information into one video or one caption. I see people, I was guilty of this too, but they talk so fast and try to shove so many ideas into one video that it gets really confusing for your reader. So be really clear about the one thing that you're teaching your reader and stick to that. Don't try to teach them 10 different techniques all at one time. One outcome, right? As something easy that they can accomplish right away. So especially if they can do it in 5 minutes or less, perfect. That's great. That's fantastic content to share. And more people will like it and share it and comment and be like, yay, that's exciting. So don't try to overstuff your video or overstuff your caption when you're writing. Too much information, it just turns people right off. You're not a textbook. Don't spout out at them. Give them one clear idea. And then finally, the last thing you need is you need to tell them what the next step is. With marketing, you have to be really clear with what you want your reader to do. You have to give them that really clear next step. So when I'm writing an advertisement, like a Facebook ad, the next step is click the link to learn more, or click learn more to find out about, and then whatever it is we're promoting. When you're doing social media, you need to tell your reader what to do next. So if you want them to comment, tell them to comment below with, and then give them something specific. Like, don't ask them for a very open and tell me what, let me see, just comment below. That's way too open. You can say something like, tell me your favorite recipe, or what did your grandma cook every, Christmas for you, or what's your top, destination for photography? Like, maybe you've always wanted photos in the Alps. I don't know. Be really specific about what you're going to have them do. If you want them to like your video, then say, if you like this content, please like it so I know to do more, or please support me, like this video, anything like that, where you're being really, really specific. Or know someone who would love this video, please share it with them, so you'll hear a lot of content creators say things like that. There's a clear next step. When you're growing your audience, usually the next step is like, comment, share, right? When you have something you're promoting, like a course or your one-on-one services, usually the next step is click this link to learn more, or, find out about, X program, or message me if you want to know details, things like that. So I hope that helps. I hope that makes it a little bit clearer, and try following, these 3 steps. And if you do, you're going to watch more likes coming on your videos. You're going to see more comments happening because you're being really specific about asking your audience what to do. And you're going to see your social media grow. So I'm so, so excited for you. You definitely use these strategies, and don't forget, if you want a copy of those 10 really strong hooks that you can use for your posts or your videos or whatever it is you're doing where you need attention, go ahead and drop an emoji below and I will get that link to you. Okay, I'm excited, and I will see you in whatever video it is next that you watch of mine. Hopefully it's a good one. Not all are winners, right? So anyways, I will see you later. Bye.